Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Highland Park, local, and long distance movers near me. With 3 Movers, moving homes within Highland Park becomes a stress free experience. As your trusted local moving company, we have an in depth knowledge of the city's neighborhoods, traffic patterns, and regulations. Our team is well prepared to navigate Highland Park efficiently and ensure your move is timely and smooth. We seamlessly navigate the city, taking the most efficient routes to your new destination. You can trust us to make your local move in Highland Park a breeze, allowing you to focus on settling into your new home and exploring everything this charming city offers. Let us handle the logistics while you enjoy a smooth and hassle-free moving experience. At 3 Movers, we prioritize the safety and security of your belongings throughout the entire long-distance move. Our skilled team employs careful packing techniques to protect your items during transit. We believe in providing transparent and competitive pricing options that fit within your budget. Our comprehensive quotes cover all aspects of your long distance move, so you can have peace of mind knowing there won't be any surprises. With 3 Movers, you can trust your move from Highland Park will be handled by licensed and insured teams committed to delivering exceptional service. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Highland Park moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.